Hello everyone, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm going to show to you guys on how to make a cabinet that have an edge curve like in this picture. Okay, so now we start. Okay, so this is your kitchen cabinet. Okay, so we're going to add like a edge curve to this side. Okay, so we can enter to the custom cabinet customization function. Okay, and then click on the special board. Okay, take out the new superboard, right, and then click on the board. Okay, so we're going to adjust the position, make sure it's snapped to the our drawer cabinet. Okay, and then we can adjust the width, okay, to 600. Okay, this is the sizing that I'm going to use. For the depth is 550. All right. Okay, and then we're going to use the board edit. Okay, but before that we need to adjust the depth. Okay, and then we can go to the select panel. Okay, we're going to chamfer to this side, click on join. Okay, click on the outer fillet. Okay, the radius we're going to put is as for 400. Okay, and the number of radius is 20. So it will look like this. Okay, so now we're going to adjust the height. Okay, following our base cabinet or our drawer cabinet 600. Okay, and see this gap here, so we're going to adjust the elevation to 100. Okay, so this is the edge curve, okay, for our base cabinet. Okay, and then we can proceed to apply or change the texture. And next we're gonna, for our wall cabinet, how to have like an edge curve to this side. Okay, so we're gonna copy and paste this wall cabinet. Okay, just use Ctrl C, Ctrl V, right, and then click on the board. Okay, you can click on the select panel mode. Okay, and then you delete to the panel. Okay, and just left for this base panel. Okay, at the bottom shelf. Okay, now we're gonna chamfer to this side. Okay, using the same radius. Okay, or we can use 300 lah. Okay, and the number of radius is 20, and then we can adjust the size. Okay, and then we're gonna adjust the height. Okay, 700 following our wall cabinet height. Okay, so now we already have the edge curve like this. Okay, so you either can use the superboard or you can use the bottom shaft. Okay, and then we can proceed to change the cabinet material. Okay, and you can also use the material painter to have the same material as for your cabinet or your carcass material. Okay, just click on the brush icon lah. Okay, so happy trying. Bye bye.